golden fields mark the beginning of every drop of oil.
Timing the harvest defines the oil's quality.
Precision machines replace months of manual labor. Harvest begins with controlled force. Separation starts at the field itself. Temporary storage keeps harvest continuous. The field rests, its work complete. Seeds now leave their birthplace. Harvest transforms into movement. Consistency ensures control across distance.
Human attention guides industrial flow.
Agriculture meets infrastructure.
Distance shortens with every kilometer.
Conditions change, schedules hold.
Base, this is Unit 3.
Approaching Sector 4, ETA 10 minutes. Over.
Unit 3, received. Out.
Coordination keeps arrival precise.
Destination comes into focus.
Timing prevents congestion.
Processing awaits raw potential.
Every kilogram is accounted for.
The scanning process records anchor accountability, ensuring every delivery is tracked from the moment it arrives.
Raw material enters the system.
Movement narrows toward purpose.
Transport ends where transformation begins. Here, raw harvest meets industrial scale. Entry marks the start of controlled processing. Human presence anchors automation. Material flow defines factory design. Gravity starts the internal journey. Cleanliness protects machinery and yield.
Data guides every movement.
Are these the new high-efficiency units?
Yes, they should improve throughput significantly.
Oversight stays close to action.
The factory awakens fully. Cleaning removes what the field leaves behind. Consistency signals readiness. Surface impurities are removed. Moisture control prepares processing. Byproducts are managed carefully. Preparation is complete. Processing begins with preparation for extraction. Uniformity improves extraction efficiency. Access to oil begins here.
Particle size defines efficiency.
Surface area is maximized. Controlled cooking changes texture.
Control prevents degradation.
Force unlocks the oil. Oil finally reveals itself. Extraction shifts from moment to momentum.
Raw oil carries the essence of seed.
What remains still holds value. Nothing is wasted in modern processing. Flow is transferred, not interrupted. Containment preserves quality. Time allows separation.
Gravity completes what pressure began.
Stability signals readiness for refinement.
Impurities are methodically removed.
Transformation advances toward purity.
Filtration sharpens clarity.
Each step improves refinement. Balance prepares for final processing.
Consistency protects quality.
Refinement is now unavoidable. Automation governs precision at scale.
Decisions are centralized and continuous.
Data mirrors reality in real time. Automation removes unwanted compounds.
Measurement replaces estimation.
Timing ensures stability. Chemistry is controlled, not rushed. Speed separates what gravity cannot. Purity accelerates. Automation directs every outcome. Cleanliness is engineered.
Absence of water preserves shelf life.
Logic executes consistency.
Safety is always active.
Automation delivers visible results.
Human oversight remains essential.
The process adapts instantly.
Automation, hands off to perfection.
Precision defines the final character of oil.
Final impurities are removed here.
Uniform pressure ensures clarity. Visual purity signals readiness. Flavor neutrality is carefully engineered. Unwanted aromas are lifted away. Low pressure protects oil integrity. Neutral oil meets consumer expectation. Temperature locks in quality. Stability prepares for storage. Finished oil awaits verification. Oxygen is excluded to protect freshness. Completion demands confirmation. Quality is measured, not assumed.
Traceability anchors trust.
Clarity speaks before numbers do.
Chemical balance defines refinement.
Data confirms purity.
Neutral aroma is essential.
Standards are officially met. Records remain for accountability. Quality clearance unlocks progress. Verified oil moves ahead.
Testing gives way to delivery.
Documentation completes verification. Approval is visible to all.
The final stage awaits.
Identity meets product.
Units become shipments.
Precision filling begins. Measured volumes ensure consistency. Sealing preserves freshness.
Odor prepares for storage.
Stability ensures safe travel.
Finished oil awaits dispatch.
Distribution begins here.
Production meets logistics.
And this is how modern factories produce sunflower oil from start to finish.
Agriculture meets infrastructure.